To change date and time settings in Honor X7D, first of all we'll need to launch our settings. Next step is to scroll all the way down and here select System and Update. Go for the date and time, and then there's all of the settings that we can adjust. So first of all we have 24 hours time. You can switch between 12 hours or 24 hours format for your clock. Then there's a set time and date automatically that you can turn off, which will allow you to customize date and time manually. You can change the date right here, time right here, and the time zone right there. But I would recommend to leave it on, otherwise you may encounter some problems with synchronization on your device. Here you can find the use location service to upgrade the automatic date and time detection. Activate it, then based on your location it will adjust the time and time zone and everything for your clock. Here we can find dual clocks that we can enable or disable. When it's active you can pick a different city in different region for a second clock when you have the weather widget added to your home screen. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.